Say, what's cracking, everybody? For today's video, I'm taking a look at Xero Linux. Xero Linux is a distro made by Dark Xero. So I have the system installed right here on a fresh virtual machine, and this is our welcome screen that we are introduced to on our first boot. So this is called the Xero toolkit. And from this window right here, you have quite a few options that you can utilize to get your system rolling. So as I was saying, right here on the left, we have main page, drivers, customization, gaming tools, game scope, containers, VMs, multimedia tools, and servicing system tweaks. Then on the main window, under main page, we have update system, PKG manager guide, download Arch ISO, install Nix package manager. Now if we navigate to the drivers, from right here, we do have NVIDIA legacy drivers, AMD ROC-M, NVIDIA CUDA, Tailscale VPN, ASUS ROG tools, Open Razor drivers, Fingerprint guide, and Zenergy driver. Under customization, we have setup ZSH AIO, save desktop tool, grub theme, Plymouth manager, update Lion theme. Then under that, we have gaming tools. So the options we have here are Steam AIO, LACT-OC, I'm guessing that's lack overclock, Lutris, Heroic, Bottles, controller tools, and Falcon D. Then we have game scope. Okay, game scope, it is going to be a bigger selection right here. So I've never used game scope myself, so you have quite a bit of options right here. So it's something that you would have to take a look at and play with yourself. But I'll leave these here so you can pause and take a look and see what all you see right here. All right, so now under game scope, we have containers, VMs. So containers, VMs, manage containers and virtual machines. So we have Docker, Podman, VirtualBox, Distrobox, and QEMU Virtual Manager. Next, we have multimedia tools. And from right here, manage multimedia applications and media servers. OBS Studio, AIO, Kdenlive, and Jellyfin Server. And then the last option right here is going to be servicing system tweaks. So system maintenance, repair, and performance tweaks. Clear Pacman cache, unlock Pacman database, Plasma X11 session, VM guest utils, Waydroid guide, fix GPGME database, fix Arch keyring, update mirror list, change parallel downloads. And that's pretty much everything you have in the toolkit. So it's quite a bit of tools. Very, very useful. And if you don't want this to show on your next reboot, you can just tick that off. And it's also set to confirm. So just enter your password. All right, and that is the Xero toolkit. Okay, so we are on the Plasma desktop. So we do have a panel on top. The panel on top has a date and time right in the middle. And you can see right here, hovering over it gives you a tooltip. Over to the right, we do have a power menu, internet connections. What's this? Most recent devices, volume controls, last check. I'm guessing that's an update checker. Yakwaki, which is a terminal. It's a pull down terminal. So if you click on it, it goes down from the top, then you put it back up. Then you have some media controls right here, and also some network usage. Then on the far left, we do have a applications menu. So from right here on the applications menu, we do have development, education, graphics, help, internet, lost and found, multimedia, office, system, utilities, and your power session, along with a search. Then we also have a dock on the bottom. So the dock on the bottom has a trash can, system settings, console terminal, Dolphin file manager, and the XeroLinux toolkit, which is the window we saw from the welcome. So let me just open it so you can see it again. So it's always here somewhere so you can reach it. All right, and we also have a right-click menu. So you have options on Plasma with a right-click menu. And on the panel itself also, you have a right-click menu. Okay, so during the installation, I selected a few applications for it to install. So let's go back to the applications menu. And let's see, under graphics, I did select, I believe it was GIMP, and it is here. For internet, I did select Firefox, and Firefox is here. For multimedia, I selected MPV. So MPV is here, and also MKV Toolkit. And under Office, I selected LibreOffice. So they all installed. So everything works from the installer as it should. All right, so let's open up Firefox and let's see if we can get to the XeroLinux website. This CD is it's set up for donations. Okay, so here we are on the XeroLinux website. So from right here, you can download the ISO, you can check out the GitHub, or check out the wiki. But like I said, this is a donation-based download right here. Okay, so when you click on download, it takes you to some editions right here. So you have a free edition right here, download free demo, or you have the unlocked edition. So on this one, you can make a donation to download it itself. So, depending on your situation, if you can afford it, you can click on the unlocked edition. And this one right here on the free demo, I believe it's a script, so you have to install it on top of an already Arch-based system. Okay, and you can see right here, download XeroLinux. Welcome to the official download page for XeroLinux, a fast, lightweight, and finely tuned Linux experience. The demo is completely free and lets you explore XeroLinux in a virtual machine before committing. The unlocked edition includes the full installer and all features, available through a small donation. This isn't a paywall or a demand, just a general ask. If you find value in this project, your support helps keep it alive and actively develop it. It also helps me, the developer, navigate the ongoing economic crisis in Lebanon. Whether you donate or not, thank you for being here. And you have a changelog right here. All right, so all in all, with this toolkit and everything that's involved in the system itself, it is a very great system. It's very fast, very snappy, no hiccups at all whatsoever. Let's see, opening up a terminal. Let's check for AUR packages. Let's click on yay. Command not found. Now let's try Paru. And we do have Paru, but I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to go ahead and cancel it. And they should have PAMAC also, but I'm just guessing at this point. PAMAC is not installed, but you do have Paru. So Paru is an option for installing software. So it'll get software from the AUR. Let me go back to the top and take a look at this. I don't know if it's FastFetch, NeoFetch, PFetch, Netch, or there's so many of them out now. So you can see right here, XeroLinux. We are in a virtual machine. Looks like it's using 1.9 gigabytes. Shows my AMD Ryzen 7. And the GPU, of course, is a virtual machine. The system itself, XeroLinux. On KWin Wayland, KDE Plasma, using the latest kernel, 6.18.4. And you got other info right here also. All right, so all in all, it's a pretty good system. Like I said, haven't ran into any errors. Everything is working as it should work. So yeah, I would highly recommend this distro right here. And like I said, you know, from the website itself, you know, this is a donation-based download, but you do have the option for the free version. And like I said, the free version is going to be installed through a script that on an already installed Arch system. So it's up to you which one you want to use, you know. But if you want to help out the project and keep them going, I would recommend you use the Ko-fi. But you have both options right here. You can download free demo, or you can use the donation-based version. And you can see right here, it has the full Calamares installer, 2 ISOs, Intel and AMD, along with NVIDIA. Post-install toolkit, which we just saw. BTRFS encryption features enabled, full community support on Discord, and full package manager support enabled. And you also have some other links right here, but I'll have this link down in the video description. That way you can go through it and give it a good read. All right, well, pretty much it's all in all right here. You know, basically everything you need right here is on this panel right here. So you have the toolkit, you have the file manager, you have the terminal. So everything you need, you know, to work with your system is all right here. And of course you have your applications menu. So if you want to get to other things, it's easy to find all right here. So it is a pretty simple system to navigate through. All right, you guys, before I end this video, I want to give a big thank you to Mark Hope for the donations. Thank you, Mark Hope. And we're going to keep it pushing. All right, you guys, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video you just saw, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, by all means, give it a thumbs down. It's all fair game here on LinuxHub Prime. And I'm out.